my smart little friends! Welcome back to another fun learning time with me, Young Smart! We've already learned lots of two-letter words. Today, we're going to learn 4 new ones. Go, do, so, and we. Are you ready? Let's spell together. Our first word is go. Let's spell it together. G-O, go. Now you say it. G-O, go. Great job. Let's use it in a sentence. Let's go to school. The next word is do. Spell it with me. D-O, do. Your turn. D-O, do. Perfect. Let's use it in a sentence. Let's do our homework. Now let's learn so. Spell it together. S-O, so. Now you say it. S-O, so. Awesome. Let's use it in a sentence. The day is so bright. Last word for today, we. Spell it with me. W-E, we. Now your turn. W-E, we. Amazing! Let's use it in a sentence. We are friends forever. Wow, friends! You did it again! You learned 4 new two-letter words. Go, do, so, and we. Let's say them one more time. Go, do, so, we. You're learning so fast. Keep spelling, keep smiling, and keep watching Young Smart for more fun learning. When we learn together, we grow together.